Hello students, today we are going to discuss about density, relative density, etc. Now first topic is density. The ratio of mass and volume of the body, the ratio of mass and volume of the body is called density. So that we can write density is equal to mass upon volume. It is normally denoted by rho is equal to m upon v. And unit of density is kg per meter cube, because m is denoted by kg, mass of the body represented by the kg, and volume by length into breadth into height, that is meter cube. If the volume is 1 meter cube, then rho will be equal to m. So we can say the density of a body will be equal to its mass if its volume will be 1 meter cube. Now come to the relative density. The ratio of density of substance to the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is known as relative density. The ratio of density of the substance to the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is known as the relative density. So that the relative density of the substance is given by will be density of the substance upon density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. It means relative density is equal to density of substance. It means rho of substance upon rho of water. Why it is at 4 degrees centigrade? We know that density of water remains different at different temperature, and here rho water means the density of pure water. Pure water means condensed water जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो density of water is taken at 4 degrees centigrade because density remains maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. At less than this and greater than this temperature, density becomes decreases, and relative density has no unit because it is the ratio of two densities. There is no unit of relative density because it is the ratio of two densities. Now get back the example, question number 1. The relative density of silver is 10.5. Relative density of silver is 10.5. The density of water is is 10 raised to the power 3 kg per meter cube. What is the density of silver? Find the density of silver. Solution: We know that relative density is equal to density of silver substance upon density of water. Relative density is given by 10.5 is equal to rho silver upon 10 is power 3. Rho silver will be equal to 10.5 into 10.3 kg per meter cube, because it is not a relative density, it is the density of silver, so its unit will be kg per meter cube. We know that relative density has no unit. Uses of Archimedes principle and how to find the density of any solid and liquid substances. Uses of Archimedes principle. First is for solids. The relative density will be equal to density of substance upon density of water. It is also given by the weight of certain volume of substance. We know that density of substance means mass upon volume. तो वेट ऑफ, इसको हम ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं कि डेंसिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज गिवन बाय मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सब्सटेंस. मास ऑफ सब्सटेंस, या हम मास ऑफ सब्सटेंस में एमएस लिख देते हैं, मास ऑफ सब्सटेंस अपॉन वॉल्यूम डिवाइडेड बाय डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. इट मीन्स मास ऑफ वाटर अपॉन सेम वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम मीन्स जितना सब्सटेंस का वॉल्यूम है उतना ही वॉल्यूम का हम वाटर लेंगे यहाँ पर. तो हियर एम एस अपॉन एम डब्ल्यू, एंड वी कैन राइट एम एस इंटू जी एंड एम डब्ल्यू इंटू जी. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ सब्सटेंस of certain volume is equal to weight of upon weight of water of same volume. Weight of water of same volume. It can be written as the relative density will be equal to weight of the body upon वेट ऑफ वाटर ऑफ सेम वॉल्यूम. को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं कि लॉस ऑफ वेट व्हेन बॉडी इमर्स्ड फुल्ली इन द वाटर. वेट ऑफ द वाटर ऑफ सेम वॉल्यूम, हम किसी भी बॉडी को किसी वाटर में जैसे डुबोते हैं तो वो जितना वाटर डिस्प्लेस करेगी उतने से हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द वेट लॉस ऑफ द बॉडी इन द वाटर. क्योंकि हम बॉडी को जब हम किसी भी लिक्विड में डिप करते हैं तो उसमें वेट लॉस उतना ही होता है जितना कि वो वाटर डिस्प्लेस करती है. वेट लॉस ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर. तो हियर वी कैन राइट वेट लॉस इन द बॉडी व्हेन इट इज फुल्ली इमर्स्ड. वेट लॉस ऑफ द बॉडी व्हेन इट इज फुल्ली इमर्स्ड. We can formulate this relative density as relative density will be equal to the weight of the body in air upon weight loss of the body. It means weight of the body in air minus weight of the body in liquid. Not in liquid, it is in water. And relative density equal to W1. W1 is the weight of the body in air upon W1 minus W2. Here W2 is the weight of the body in water. W1 weight of the body in air, and W2 weight of the body in water. This is the relative density.